Hi, welcome back to vSkul walkthrough video tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show us how to create an on-demand self-paced course. Assuming you are not running a live class, but you are running an on-demand course where students can sign up at any time, log into your login, visit your course, enroll for your course rather, and then start watching your videos. This is a bit different from live class on-demand course. Live class on-demand course is the fact that where the actual class is holding in real time, but the instructor is recording the entire activity and then upload later after editing. But the contrary on demand is the instructor will do the recording himself at his own time and then upload so that students can watch, just as is obtainable in Udemy and Udemy, Coursera, Alison, and many other learning platforms. So in this case, where I've logged in now as an instructor, and instead of using the Pro Live Course menu, I will use the on-demand courses menu. I'll click and then click on create new course. Now that brings me to this page. So here I'll enter my course title. I'll call it first course title. And I'll add my short description. And then I also copy that. I'll use it to add my full description here. And then I will lengthen the details to make it fuller, just for purpose of this tutorial. Then next, I come here, select because this course is actually for professionals, I will select professionals. If I'm doing for K-12, then I will select for students. Then category, select whatever category that suits my course. So for this, I'll just choose this. It's just for purpose of demonstration. Then I will choose the subcategory where that falls in. Once you select a category, for example, now here we have workplace and HR, and you see here, if I change it to something like, let me see, business, okay, maybe there's none here for now, or I change to this, okay, see, it has changed, right? So I will choose this, but let me go back to what I chose before, okay? Then, what class? Is this for beginner? Is it for intermediate? Is it for advanced? So I'll leave it at beginners, leave it English, duration if I have an idea of the video, but for purpose of this, I have already recorded my video, note that, so I should have an idea of my video. So say 30 minutes. And then what is the cost? Now, onward, I'm going to change this to 85. This was what we fixed earlier, but I'm going to change this to 85 so that, because you will be taking 85% of this 5,000, that is after Pay Direct has taken their commission. Whatever is left after the commission, you will take 85%, and the platform retains the remaining 15%. Okay, so now the next is upload your thumbnail. Okay, so if you don't know how to upload create a thumbnail, just use ChatGPT, describe what you want, and ask it to build you a 16:9 aspect ratio thumbnail for YouTube. It will build that easily. But for this purpose, let me just use what we currently have, and I will delete it later. So let me use this one. I've uploaded it, and that's it. I think everything here has been added. added the course title, short description, full description, the class, category, subcategory. If your category is not here, please do let us know. In that case, you can select, I think there should be order, or you select something close to what you already have, but let us know so we can add your own category. Okay, so I click on create and publish. Okay, I've created my new course and it's been published. Please note I'm going to delete this just for purpose of a demonstration. Okay, now the next thing I would do is, when you create a course, the course must have lessons, right? So the next thing we'll do, which is the second phase, is go to lesson. Click on lesson. Okay, now this is very easy, very simple. This is our course, and this is the title here. Now, for every course, we have what we call sections. Sections is like, call it module, right? Module. So in each module, you add all the classes or the lessons. So here we don't use module, we use section, right? So let's say I have module 1. Module 1, I could call it section 1. So I create my first section. Add the description, very brief description, and then I'll create it. Okay, now I've added you can add unlimited sections, but note, your sections should have lessons under them, right? Your sections should have lessons under them. So this is my first section. I could create another section. Okay, let me just create my second session. Okay, I've created my second session. Now, assuming I have many others I add, now the next is to add lessons under my first section. So I click here. As you can see, it has it here. Then I'll add first section lesson, description, what students will learn, lesson requirements where applicable. In fact, it's very important to add this so that they know if they qualify for it. Then I'll upload my video. So here I'm going to upload a very simple video. I'll just upload a very simple video here. 12 minutes video, no, 12 seconds video. Oh, let me look. Okay, so I just upload this video. Okay, the video has been fully uploaded. Now, if I have other links, say YouTube additional link of or Vimeo that will help the student understand this course, I'll add it here. And then how many minutes is this video? I add it here. See, well, note is in minutes, not in seconds. So I'll just add 12. This is the first video. This is the first lesson. So I'll leave it at 1. Should I make this video free for students to view to give them an understanding? This is also ideal. If this is your first video, it's important as you describe the video, you make it available for students to watch, because on watching the video, it will give them more insight, more understanding, more clarity of what they are going to learn, right? This is best practice, and is used by Udemy, Coursera, and many other top-rated online platforms. Okay, so I'll set this to free, and then I'll click on create lesson. Okay, now my lesson has been created, but as you can see, it's not in any section. So what I simply do is move it from here to the section here, and that's it. So I placed it now on first section. Let's refresh the page and see what's happening over there. Okay, it's there now. So if I want to add more lessons, or simply click on, if I want to add more lessons under my first section, I will click here, add lesson to this section. And when I'm done with my first section, I'll come over to my second section. Okay, so this is basically how to create a new course. Now, if we go back to the home page, let's visit the home page. Okay, so we're on the home page now. Now let's scroll down to view our new on-demand course. This was the live course we tested. We created when we were creating live course, and now what we did now is an on-demand course. So that's it here. First course title. You can see it. Remember, it was 5,000, and total is 12 minutes. And you can see here new, right? So we'll click and see what's in there. You can see the title. You can see a short description here. You can see created by vSkul. So your own name will show here. At the moment, no student has registered. And this is our thumbnail. This is the cost. This is the enroll here. So every brief detail regarding your course is shown here, and other details here too. And come down here, you have the curriculum, about the course, and reviews that will come up in the future. Okay, so this is basically how to now for the video we made free. This is where it will be seen. As students click here, they will preview the video and see what they have and what they're going to learn, because you're going to describe the video for them, sorry, the course for them. Okay, so this is basically how to create your on-demand self-paced course for your prospective students. Thank you. See you in the next video.